Hello and welcome back to Henry's Hideout, my home tiki bar. Today we're doing another cocktail out of the Easy Tiki book. Before we get into today's cocktail, I want to give a very special announcement. I just finished my very first week as a school teacher. This is my first ever teaching job. It went very well. I thought it would be fun to kind of have a little contest in the comments below. Guess what subject I teach and what grade level I teach. If you guess it right, you will be winning 2 vinyl stickers of the Henry's Hideout logo drawn by my beautiful girlfriend. And yeah, if you guess the subject that I teach and the grade level I teach, I'm only teaching 1 grade level this year, I will ship you these 2 vinyl stickers that you can place in your home bar, on your water bottle, on your phone, wherever you want. And these are super cool. So let's make this happen. Comment down below the subject and grade level. If you get it spot on, I will send you these stickers for free. With that out of the way, let us turn to page 84 of Easy Tiki to find the cocktail called SIBONEY? SIBONEY? I'm not sure how to say it, but it was created by Antonio Martinez at the Bootlegger Tiki in Palm Springs, first appearing in Trader Vic's 1974 book Rum, Cookery, and Drinkery. Here's the SIBONEY, an updated version by Antonio Martinez to be more rum forward with an additional ½ ounce of Jamaican rum as the base. Martinez also doubles down on the pineapple, which appears in fresh juice form and in the form of pineapple rum, aka the Stiggins Fancy from Planter Ray. Some good stuff right there. The result is a modernized take that's bursting with tropical flavor. Let's see if that's right. The drink is pictured served up in a coupe glass, but we are actually going to serve it down, if you will, on some pebble ice in a new little mini hurricane glass that I got. I think it'll turn out real good. We got a lot of garnishes for it today, and I think it's gonna be a good drink. My hopes are high. Also, how do you like the zombie hat, huh? Pretty cool, pretty classy. It's not classy, but it's kind of cool. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Anyways, I don't know much about this cocktail. I don't even know how to pronounce the name. I just flipped to this page today and thought it would be a fun one to try since it uses Dr. Bird and Planter Ray Stiggins Fancy, which I just happen to have both of them. So I thought, why not make this recipe exact? Well, adding some saline solution in there, of course, because that's just what we do. And yeah, without further ado, let's do it. A SIBONEY, Antonio Martinez, Bootlegger Tiki. SIBONEY? I don't know. That's besides the point. For this cocktail, you will need a lime, passion fruit syrup, pineapple juice, Demerara syrup, Planter Ray Stiggins Fancy pineapple rum, Jamaican rum, preferably Dr. Bird. Also, some saline solution and some Luxardo cherries for garnish. Start off by squeezing your lime and getting 3/4 of an ounce of juice into a clear glass. Next, we need ½ an ounce of our Lieber & Co. passion fruit syrup. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of Dole pineapple juice. Then we'll go in with ½ an ounce of rich Demerara syrup. Now for the rums, we're gonna do 1½ ounces of our Dr. Bird. Then ½ ounce of Planter Ray Stiggins Fancy pineapple rum. And to finish it off, we'll do 5 drops of our saline solution. Transfer that into your shaker tin. And I'm gonna put 3 large cubes of ice in this drink since it's supposed to be an up drink. And we're gonna give that a nice hard shake. We'll put a little bit of pebble ice in there too, just to dilute a tiny bit. We don't want too much though. Then we're gonna take our chilled mini hurricane glass from the freezer, and we will strain this cocktail into the glass and fill it up the rest of the way with pebble ice. Now time to garnish it like crazy. Let's do a couple pineapple fronds a false idol swizzle stick, 2 Luxardo cherries, a dried edible flower, of course a big bushel of mint, and we'll slide a couple straws down in there as well. And there it is from Bootlegger Tiki in Palm Springs, the SIBONEY, or SIBONEY. And so from the book Easy Tiki from Bootlegger Tiki Bar out in Palm Springs, to my understanding, here is the SIBONEY. Let's give it a shot. Man. Right off the bat, I think I'm gonna have to say, this is one of my favorite pineapple drinks I've ever made. In a rare instance, the pineapple does not completely overpower this drink. My straws are just getting lost in the mint here. Really garnish this one up something special. But yeah, this one has pineapple and passion fruit syrup in it, and both of those are actually balanced in this drink for once instead of taking over the entire thing. Of course, 1.5 ounces of old Dr. Bird really helps that out. Getting a lot of that funk from the Dr. Bird. It's beautiful. The pineapple citrus and the lime citrus kind of intermingle, and on the back end, on that through note, we really get the passion fruit syrup in there. Touch of sweetness from the Demerara, from the passion fruit syrup, who's to say? But yeah, that sugar from the pineapple, the passion fruit, and the Demerara are all really working well. That lime juice is balancing the sugar out perfectly. You still get a nice little tart pucker at the end. You get a little bit of a dimension of pineapple because you have 1/2 ounce of the Stiggins Fancy pineapple rum in here. So you're not only getting that fresh pineapple flavor, you're also getting that deeper kind of pineapple rind flavor that the Stiggins Fancy has to offer. You know, that's probably my favorite Dr. Bird drink I've ever tried. I would say this is essential for this drink. If you don't have Dr. Bird, use like Hamilton Pot Still Black, or maybe even Wray and Nephew Overproof, the white stuff, because the funk, the Hogo is what you want with this one, or else the pineapple and the passion fruit, I'm afraid, will bully this drink. That is good, man. And I decided to make it in a glass. I decided to make it down, if you will, in a glass with pebble ice instead of how it was shown in the Easy Tiki book. It's shown up in a coupe strained. I did take that into consideration. That's why I chose to shake it with 3 large pieces of ice instead of shaking it with pebble, so it would not over dilute. But yeah, the balance on this is wonderful. It is not over diluted. And that's just a real treat, a real tropical treat. I would consider putting that on my menu for sure, because it is very classic tiki. The flavors that we get here are similar to other tiki drinks, except this one really just packages it really well. I feel like there are some drinks on my menu that showcase the passion fruit syrup, and the passion fruit is a bigger element. I really appreciate how subtle the passion fruit is in this. The pineapple is forward, but does not bully any other flavors out of the drink, that's for sure. And yeah, I am pleasantly surprised with this one. The SIBONEY. Well guys, it looks like we got another cocktail on the channel that I can definitely recommend. So if you have the Easy Tiki book, flip to that page, make this, or since you watch this video, go down in the description and get the recipe from me. I make it exactly how the book calls for, with the exact same type of rums. Yeah, that's a good drink for a good time. I feel like this is a great second drink to serve to somebody if they've never been introduced to tiki. Because when you're describing that funk, that Hogo flavoring, You don't want to hit them in the face with it right away, but this definitely has that presence, but it also has the pineapple, passion fruit, lime to back it up, to make it a little bit more, I hate the word approachable, but to make it just a little bit more friendly for them to delve into that flavor of the funk, if you will. Yeah, this is really good. I could actually see some banana liqueur working really well in this as well. This drink, really impressed with it. I think you could serve it down like this, put pebble ice in it, garnish it like mad, just like I did, and it's a perfect, just tropical, iconic drink that you can make for your friends and family. All my garnishes are falling into the drink, but it sure looked good, didn't it? Well, guys, another week, another drink down. Once again, be sure to go in the comments to guess what grade level and subject I'm teaching. If you guess correctly, you will win the vinyl Henry's Hideout sticker. So yeah, cheers, aloha, and I will see y'all next week.